Good morning, dear students. In this session, I am going to explain about the question and answer of Bangalore division. Yes, in the previous class, I have taught about the Bangalore division. So let us see the question and answer of Bangalore division. So take your notebook and write the question and answer. Okay. So don't make any mistakes. Yes, I will repeat twice. Okay. So write down first one is. First question is that is related to history of Bangalore. So first question is name any three kingdoms. Name any three kingdoms of ancient Karnataka. Yes, of ancient Karnataka. So first ancient kingdom is Ganga. Yes, Ganga. Ganga. Next one is Chola. And third one is Hoysala. Is Ganga, Chola, Hoysala. Over. So next question is, second question is, how many districts are there in Bangalore division? Is how many districts are there in Bangalore division? Is so right answer 9 districts. Okay, otherwise you can write there are 9 districts in Bangalore division. Yes, there are 9 districts in Bangalore division. Over. So next third question is name any two Palepatus. Name any two Palepatus who ruled in this division, that is Bangalore division. Who ruled in this division? Yes, so write down answer. First one is Keladi, and second one is Chitradurga. Yes, Keladi and Chitradurga. Over. So next one is, these questions are related to natural resources of Bangalore division. Okay, so write the heading natural resources. So first question is, what are natural resources? What are natural resources? Question mark. Give examples. Give examples. So write down answer. Resources obtained from nature. Resources obtained from nature are called natural resources. Yes, resources obtained from nature are called natural resources. Stop. Example: rivers, forest, animals, soil and minerals. Over. Fine. So second one question is, which district in Bangalore division receives the highest rainfall? Yes, so answer is Shivamogga district. Shall we go for next question? Okay, so third one question is, state the reasons for scarcity of water in Bangalore division. Yes, write down answer. Bangalore division faces scarcity of water because many rivers are dried out to environmental pollution. Yes, environmental spelling is ENVIRONMENTAL. Environmental pollution, comma, deforestation deforestation. Next, comma, uncontrolled urbanization, uncontrolled urbanization, and many other reasons. Yes, and many other reasons. Over. So let's go for fourth question. Yes, name any two waterfalls. Name any two waterfalls in Bangalore division. Yes, so write down answer. Jog Falls. First one is Jog Falls, and next one is Mathyala Madu. Yes, Mathyala Madu. Jog Falls and Mathyala Madu. These are the two waterfalls in Bangalore division. Okay, fine. So write the heading: forest, wild animals, and national parks. Yes, forest, comma, wild animals and national parks. So question number first: in which district is Bannerghatta National Park? Yes, is Bannerghatta National Park? Question mark. So write down answer. Bengaluru district. Yes, so you can write Bengaluru district, or you can also write in Bengaluru district Bannerghatta National Park. Yes, fine. Second question is, name the highest mountain. Name the highest mountain in Bengaluru division. Yes, name the highest mountain in Bengaluru division. So write down answer. Halu Rameshwara Gudda. Is Halu Rameshwara Gudda is the highest mountain in Bengaluru division. Yes, fine. So next question is, third question is, name any two bird sanctuaries. Name any two bird sanctuaries in Bengaluru division. Yes, so write down answer. Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, and second one is Mandagatte Bird Sanctuary. Yes, first one is Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, and second one is Mandagatte Bird Sanctuary. Fine. Over. So write down fourth question is, which bird does the bird sanctuary of Ramnagar protect? Yes, which bird does the bird sanctuary of Ramnagar protect? So answer is vultures. Vultures are protected at Ramdevara Betta in Ramnagar. Over. So write heading: agriculture and growth of industries. Agriculture and growth of industries. Yes, write very neatly. Don't make any mistakes. Okay. If you could not understand, you can also repeat your videos. Okay, but don't write any mistakes. Okay, so first one is, name the important crops of Bangalore division. Yes, name the important crops of Bangalore division. So first answer is ragi, maize, paddy, groundnuts, pulses, coconut, arecanut, cotton, and sugar cane. Yes. So second one question is there. Write down: for which industry mulberry is an important raw material? Mulberry is an important raw material. So write down silk industry. Silk industry. So let us see, third one question is there. Write down, in which year the iron and steel factory in Bhadravati was established. So right answer, in 1923. Yes, 1923. Okay. So fourth question is there. Write down, fourth one is, which cities of Bengaluru division have apparel parks? Yes, what is apparel parks? Yes, that is ready-made garments shops. Okay. So answer is Doddaballapur and Anekal. Yes, Doddaballapur and Anekal. It has the apparel parks. So next one is, write a heading, art, literature, folk. So art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. So question number 1 is, name the 3 recipients of Jnanpita Award from Bengaluru division. Yes, name the 3 recipients of Jnanpita Award from Bengaluru division. So write down answer, national poet Kuempu, that is K.V. Puttappa in the bracket and comma, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and U.R. Ananthamurthy. Over. Next, second question is, who established the folklore museum Janpad Lok? Yes, who established the folklore museum Janpad Loka? Yes, answer is Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. Yes, answer is Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. So next question is, which folklore from or Kunita takes place every year in Bengaluru? Yes, which folklore from or Kunita takes place every year in Bengaluru? Yes, answer is Karaga festival. Yes. Next one is, write down heading as a education and health. So question number first, name the disease which is prevalent in the forest areas of Shivamogga. Yes, which is prevalent in the forest areas of Shivamogga. So answer is monkey disease. Yes, monkey disease. Next, question number 2 is, name two Bengaloreans who are the recipients of Bharat Ratna Award. Yes, right now answer, Sir M. Visvesvaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. Yes, Sir M. Visvesvaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. Over. Right, third question is there. What is the name of the hospital established in rural areas by the government? Yes, what is the name of the hospital established in rural areas by the government? So answer is primary health centers and health sub-centers. Over. So next one is, write down heading, cultural resources. So first question is, name the first chief minister of our state. Yes, very good. That is K.C. Reddy. K.C. Reddy was the first Chief Minister of Karnataka. Yes, now who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka? Yes, do you know? Yes, very good. That is V.S. Yediyurappa. Yes, very good. So, second question. Name two architects of Karnataka unification. Name two architects of Karnataka unification. So, write down answer. Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Nijlingappa. Yes, Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Nijlingappa. Okay. So let us see. Next one is uniqueness of this division. That is uniqueness of Bengaluru division. Yes. So first question is, how many districts are there in Bengaluru division? Yes, how many districts are there in Bengaluru division? Yes, as we know, there are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. Yes, so write down next one question. South India's largest tank, Shanti Sagara, is in which district? Yes, yes, very good. That is in Davanagere district. Yes, one more important thing is about Davanagere. Davanagere, it is also known as the Manchester of Karnataka. Yes, so India's Manchester is Mumbai and Karnataka's Manchester is Davanagere. Okay, fine. Next, which district in Bengaluru division has more forest area? Yes, Shivamogga. Yes, Shivamogga, the district, it has the highest forest area and also it gets highest rainfall in the Bengaluru division. Yes. Next one is, which district has university named after the national poet Kuvempu? Yes, sorry, Kuventu, Kuvempu. Okay, write correctly. Next answer is Shivamogga University. Yes, Shivamogga University. Fine. Okay, so don't make any mistakes, write very neatly. Okay, and as I mentioned in the notes, we have to write that much only. Okay, in the next class I will discuss or I will explain the Mysore division. Okay, thank you.